This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable full screen mode on the Samsung Internet web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Samsung Internet web browser opened up now. To enable or disable full screen mode, you want to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then if you go down to where it says web page zoom, off to the far right of that, there is a diagonal up and down arrow. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says full screen. If I click on that, I go into full screen mode. If you look right up here, it says press F11 to exit full screen. If I press F11 on my keyboard, I have now exited full screen mode. The keyboard shortcut might be different depending on your system. I'm using a Windows PC. I'm going to press F11 again. I have now went back into full screen mode. It says press F11 to exit full screen. I'm going to press F11. That is how to enable or disable full screen mode on the Samsung Internet web browser. Thanks for watching.